Hello and welcome to the Coding Lab. In today's video, we'll explore the fascinating process of biopsies. From understanding the procedure to decoding its significance in medical coding, we'll cover all the important details you need to know. Let's get started. A biopsy is a medical procedure that involves removing tissue or cells from the body for examination by a pathologist. Biopsies are used to diagnose a variety of conditions, including cancer, unexplained lesions, moles, infections, and inflammation. Coding guidelines. The use of a biopsy procedure codes indicates that the procedure to obtain tissue solely for diagnostic histopathologic examination was performed independently or was unrelated or distinct from other procedures/services provided at that time. Biopsies performed on different lesions or different sites on the same date of service may be reported separately. Partial thickness biopsies are those that sample a portion of the thickness of skin or mucous membrane and do not penetrate below the dermis or lamina propria. Full thickness biopsies penetrate into tissue deep to the dermis or lamina propria, into the subcutaneous or submucosal space. During certain surgical procedures in the integumentary system, such as excision, destruction, or shave removals, the removed tissue is often submitted for pathologic examination. The obtaining of tissue for pathology during the course of these procedures is a routine component of such procedures. This obtaining of tissue is not considered a separate biopsy procedure and is not separately reported. Types of biopsy include tangential biopsy, punch biopsy, and incisional biopsy. Tangential biopsy. Tangential biopsy is performed with a sharp blade, such as a flexible biopsy blade, obliquely oriented scalpel or curette, CPT 11102 for first lesion, and CPT 11103 for each additional lesion. Punch biopsy requires a punch tool to remove a full-thickness, cylindrical sample of skin, CPT 11104 for first lesion, and CPT 11105 for each additional lesion. Incisional biopsy requires the use of a sharp blade, not a punch tool, CPT 11106 for first lesion, and CPT 11107 for each additional lesion. When multiple biopsy techniques are performed during the same encounter, only one primary lesion biopsy code is reported. Additional biopsy codes should be selected based on the following convention. If multiple biopsies of the same type are performed, the primary code for that biopsy should be used along with the corresponding add-on codes. If an incisional biopsy is performed, report 11106 in combination with a tangential, add-on code 11103, punch, add-on code 11105, or incisional biopsy, add-on code 11107 for the additional biopsy procedures. Coding hierarchy for biopsy is incisional, tangential, and punch. The following table provides and illustrates of the appropriate use of these codes for multiple biopsy. These are images of the biopsy methods. Now we will review a coding scenario for a biopsy. Thank you for watching this video on biopsy procedures and coding scenarios. I truly appreciate your support for my channel. If you found this content helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more informative videos.